Students, this type of entrance question, mainly repetitive question. So here there are some connection with the given angles. You can see the three angles 18, 42 and 78. What is the connection? So these are connected to a standard angle 60 degree because if you take the angle theta is equal to 18 degree. What is that 42? 42 is connected to this theta, 60 minus theta. Okay, and 78 is 60 plus 18 degree. Okay, 60 minus 42 degree is 18. Okay, sorry, 60 minus 18 degree is equal to 42 degree. So this is the combination of when you see the expression, this is in the form cos theta cos 60 minus theta cos 60 plus theta form. Okay, similarly you can get the question sin theta sin 60 minus theta sin 60 plus theta tan theta tan. So there are three formulas, very important. I will give you this formula, these three identity. You can directly answer this type of question. So please note down, whenever sin theta sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is asked, you can answer sin 3 theta by 4. Sin 3 theta by 4. So here cos theta cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is asked. So this is in the form of cos will come, same looks like sin cos 3 theta by 4. You can remember denominator 4, numerator 3 theta. Similarly tan also there, you can note down what is for the tan. Tan only this non-denominator. Okay, tan theta tan 60 minus theta tan 60 plus theta tan 3 theta. So here what is the answer? Cos 3 theta by 4. What we assumed theta 18 degree, cos 3 into 18 degree by 4. So what is now? It's cos 54 divided by 4. But you don't see direct answer cos 54. So you have to use again the complementary property. What? Cos 54 sin 90 minus 54. Okay, sin 90 minus 54 sin 36 by 4 is the answer. Okay, last use some complementary form. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Clear?